We're making some delicious pulled pork in the Instant Pot in this Ghost Host Kitchen episode. I love using my Instant Pot for easy and quick meals. This pulled pork is no exception. It's perfect for meal prep, family dinners, or even parties. So let's get started. First, season the pork with salt, pepper, garlic powder, brown sugar, and other spices. Make sure to coat it evenly on all sides. As you can see, doing this in a bag makes it very easy. Then, sear it in the Instant Pot on the saute function until it's nice and brown. Sauteing helps lock in flavors and juices. And remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes from Ghost Host Kitchen. Next, we'll add some beef broth and barbecue sauce. I like to mix it and then pour it over the meat. I like to use a mixture of sweet and tangy spices for the perfect balance of flavors. Then, after that, set your Instant Pot to high pressure for 45 minutes and let it do its thing. After 45 minutes, let the pressure release naturally for about 10 minutes before using the quick release function to remove any remaining pressure. Then, shred your pork using 2 forks and mix in additional barbecued sauce to taste. And that's it. Our delicious pulled pork is ready to serve. I like to serve it on buns, but you can serve it however you like. This recipe is a real crowd pleaser, and I know you'll love it.